car. Slip the belt off the pulley and then let it pop back up. It's all sprung, so it comes off quite easy. Oh, fucking shit. Fucking shit.
What, is it stuck?
Yeah, it's fucking great, innit? Right. Even when you're filming, you know. As you can see, it bolts straight up to the U36 chassis.
What was that? You shirt your shapes.
My other problem is these fucking spanners not being flat. Remember? So the thing wants to sit up like this, button into everything, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, what size spanner is it?
12.
You've got one of them in your fucking Snap-on kit.
Have I?
When you're ready?
Hi there guys, Pimo here again. Okay, little update on the FTO track car. We're at the situation now where we have an empty engine bay still, but we are doing an ABS.
What are you checking?
Oh no, what the fuck?
No way.
Oh, fucking.
Outro. The fucking outro. Not in the dark, please, mate. Doing it in the fucking trees is not the best idea, is it, pal? Alright then, guys.
Behind me, you should be able to see. See, this is fucking shit, man.
You're not holding that very well, are you?
Like that?
You want to see what I did with my fucking CRX, babe? It was a joke compared to this, alright?
Hang on, is this the same CRX that you had to screw in a fucking top mount bolt while you're going 70 miles an hour down the motorway?
No, it's not,
You're going to
no.
have to redo that, I'm sorry, it's really tough.
Well done. Right, you do the tape, I'll hold it. No, the tape is hanging up here, sweetie.
Stop getting arsey.
Right, I'm just double checking to make sure everything else is disconnected. I believe we are good for. Fucking shit! The fucking GoPro in your fucking head.
I don't suppose you'll want a mint while you're talking, will you? Right.
Wait a sec till the car stopped moving. Is that far? Fucking hell, babe, beautiful. Oh, that's like my tune, man. I'm gonna focus on me. Hi.
Yeah.
Are you focused on me? Yeah, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what? You need to fucking nod at me. Don't give me the fucking yes
Can you not
shit.
see how I'm
I know, but you need to tell me you're ready. I don't know. I'm looking down the barrel of a camera. I don't know if it's working or not.
Alright, go. I'm in pain.
What you will. I should be showing people how to do this. I don't know what I'm fucking doing, Natalie. Do you know what I mean? I obviously don't know what I'm fucking doing, do I?
You filming?
Yeah.
Right, apparently I'm being a diva. Which is probably a fair comment, because I like to be a diva sometimes.
Well, that's not going in. Just get on with it.
Fuck off, it is going in.
I don't think you do. No, you do, but you've used it as like a carpet, didn't you? You farted.
Yeah, I have. I've got gut rot, babe, I'm sorry. I drank nearly 3/4 of a bottle of whiskey last
That
night.
fucking stinks, though.
I'm sorry.
Look, you do have it. Look, it's here.
What a fucking ridiculous design. Right. Okay, so what we've done is we've gone behind the hub, pushed the spring clip through its hole, compressed it and turned it 45 degrees. Reverse of removal, basically. If you can't do that, then fucking give up what you're doing, mate, and go home. Go to Quick Fit. Right. Until they decided to sell it. So one of the things that I did when I was looking for cars is every time you see one that you think might be a good call, I search all the MOT history.
Whoa. Oh,
What happened there?
I just put the ISO up to 6,400 and it's doing that by
Oh my
accident.
god, what the fuck?
Sorry.
Why are you fiddling with the ISO? I can't really talk and do this sort of thing at the same time, babe. It's really difficult, do you know what I mean? 52 engine.
Walk around a bit.
Um,
Don't use up the battery because I need to use it.
I'm not using it up, don't fucking worry. I'm walking about like I'm
Come
being
on,
stylish.
It's only got 10 minutes. You only get 10 minutes.
It's plenty of time, man.
It's
We've got
not doing
loads of
anything.
fucking time.
It's not doing anything.
Don't tell me it's not been recording.
Why are you filming me do this? Look how well he can't get a bolt undone.
What?
I'm so uncomfortable and knackered.
Which will now allow us to use a big battery, babes. Let's go for it. Come on, out my way, come on. Stand out of my way again, hen, come on. Doing at all. I have.
No, don't just start with I have. So
hang on a minute. Just hold your fucking horses here, little cheeks. Right, boyfriend spent quite a bit of time doing video stuff earlier. I'm not doing it again for you to just fucking throw all my shit in the bin because it's not good enough quality. Right? That's not fair. I've even got a microphone involved, man, you know what I mean? So I can make it sound good.
the GoPro Hero 5 is a big fat disappointment.
It's a bit fucking late for that now, isn't it?
Yeah, I know that. But it can't compete with a DSLR with a £600 lens on.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Right, so take your DSLR with your £600 lens, make a video, right, and shove it up your fucking jacksie.
What's that weird smell?